global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happiness today. Already, Governor Charles Soludo is already up and running. And don't forget that on his inauguration day, that day witnessed a lot of drama where we had the slapped and those who initiated the slap, and all that between Bianca Ojukwu and Ebele Chukwu Obiano. Of course, she has apologized, the former governor, former governor's wife, but apologized to both Ndi Igbos and also the former Spain ambassador to Spain. And but right now, it looks like that singular action has prompted, or may have prompted, the sitting governor right now to look into a lot of issues. One of them you're going to find out in a moment, which may likely be affecting his wife. Before we go into the news proper, I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, according to the news, there may have been a wiping out of the office of the wife of the governor. By extension, this wave of change has, however, blown to the office of the first lady of the state, popularly known as the office of the wife of the governor. It was observed on morning that the structure of the office, located at the left side of the entrance gate of the government house in Oka, has begun to receive Soludo's effect, as painters were seen cleaning off the inscription "Office of the Wife of the Governor," boldly written on the building. As at the time of the press, the senatorial building currently stands without any inscription, which some passerby interpret to simply mean the abolition of the office of the wife of the governor by the current administration. A lot of people are looking into this, that probably, just probably, because of that little show of shame that went down on his inauguration day, where the wife of the governor had to stand up and do a lot of slapping. She was slapped actually, but maybe if there was no office like that, maybe there would have been a bit of decorum. We don't know, but this is just the beginning of his tenure. So as time goes by, we'll begin to see more of his changes take more effect. A lot of Nigerians have taken to the social media to react to this, what he has just done in some castles a couple of hours ago. This one here said, "Good, way to go." Another person here said, "Thank you, Governor Soludo. In the 60s and the 70s, there was no such thing as First Lady, and they performed wonderfully well. But nowadays, all strategies are used to loot in the name of different officers." This one says, "See what's in Bianca don't cause." Sh0cks Ndi Bianca, please. This says, "I hope she won't cry like Aisha. I'm sure she understands the kind of husband she got married to. For him to be a professor, you should know that that's one man that's become disciplined even in academics. So it's actually understandable. If you watch the day of his inauguration, you keep hearing no noise, all those noisemakers, no noise, you just understand that he may or will even be a disciplinarian to the core." This one here says, "Oh God, helps us. Oh God, help Soludo to sustain this temple." And he said an amen to that. This one here says, "Your Excellency, sir, I know you are good, but please slow down a bit, sir." It is well. This one here says, like Buhari did, the foolish Jews will celebrate this senseless news better than they celebrate the airport Obiano belt without a loan from a soul. Okay, this one here is saying, well, it hasn't been confirmed, but if eventually he does this, it will be a very welcome step. Yeah, that's another thing, because he just cleaned it up. It doesn't mean that maybe he wants to write it properly again. Who knows? But that's good to wrap it up. What's your take on the fact that he's cleaning off that office of the wife of the governor, first lady's office in Anambra State? We do not know if he's officially cleaned it up, but he cleaned up the signature. Does this really mean that there may not be that office anymore for the wife? Do you think it's a good step? Let's meet in our conversation, please. What's your take? Do have a nice time.